Are you getting hungry?
I can eat. Yeah.
Yeah?
Sure. Do you want anything? Do you want me to get anything? Do you want to go out someplace?
I think I'm just gonna check the fridge. I could barely eat anything.
All right.
Rob. Come over here.
Yeah.
Oh, by God! You two can see me, can't you? My name is Nate. Yes, indeed, I have a name! Oh, I'm sure you are aware of the concept and the set of beliefs of animism, are you not? Here you two are, in the hustling, bustling New York City, a city with life pumping through its veins. Oh, this is a miracle. Oh, I have been seen. Oh, I am alive!
Oh my God. There's a magic man in our fridge.
I want you to shoot straight with me. Okay? Like, are you fucking this guy?
Am I fucking him?
Yeah. Cause like, what is this?
We just learned that maybe there is magic in the world, and your first question is whether or not I am fucking the 1-inch tall man in our refrigerator, Rob.
I thought the magic in this world was between us. I didn't realize there is other magic.
You need to take your paranoia and you need to check it outside, okay? You need to check that paranoia outside, okay?
Fuck. You're right. I'm sorry. Sometimes I just care a little too much. You know what I mean?
Oh, their spiritual essence is always amongst you. We are eternal. Our minds are connected spiritually in the essence that they were created from the magma of the earth, forged in the flames of eternity. Ooh, good grief, it's cold in here.
I didn't realize it would be a creep living amongst us.
I didn't realize that there would be a teeny tiny baby man in our refrigerator either, Rob.
I saw the way he looked at you.
He was looking at us both the same. If I kissed that man,
Okay.
I would eat him. If I kissed that man, I would chow down on his little body. Okay, he's the size of a fucking chicken drumstick from Popeyes. That is what he tastes like, probably. I would not fuck him. I am done with this conversation, Rob. You can be so infuriating sometimes, and I didn't do anything wrong, okay?
Sorry.
Except maybe witness a miracle in our refrigerator.
Oh me, oh my, hello for a third time. The essence of people that...
You're right. I'm wrong. Sorry.
Yeah, let's just chill the fuck out, okay, and have a nice dinner.
Kleine. Oh, Kleine. Hallo? Oh, du kannst mir sehen? Oh, ich heiße Cassie. Ja.
I know what it looks like, okay? If anything did happen between us, I was not emotionally connected to it like I am with you. I swear, okay? Forgive me. You're the light of my life, please. I care about you. I don't really care about this German lady. Please.
You two live in a hustling, bustling New York City? The city of dreams! The city of life! The city that doesn't sleep! The city that sucks your soul down smooth clean! The city that kisses you on the lips and says, I love you! I love you!